Alright friends, we've got a cool project for you today. I want you to start a new browser window, squish it off to the side, and I want you to type stopwatch. When you've got stopwatch on your screen, I want you to use this little one up here. You notice it's got to start, it's got to stop, and it's got to reset, which is what we need. The second part of the project is I want you to go to MT Tools. When you launch it, I want you to find today's date in the journals. Currently, it is 4/10/2018. A different year, it'll be a different number. And when you get in there, I want you to launch the Fast Maze. I need you to adjust the Fast Maze so it takes up half of your screen. That way, you'll be able to do the Fast Maze and at the same time also have the stopwatch running. Remember that you can scroll in and grab the blue area by the clouds to get this to fit the screen the way you want. Remember that it also moves up as you play. To play the game, you hit the space bar so that it's moving. You've got to click your browser window, and this is going to happen fast so that you don't lose time. But you're going to press 1 to start the game after you click start, click your screen, plus press 1, and then you can start your Fast Maze race. I am using the arrow keys, and the first game that I'm playing is without any opponents. You should probably play by yourself the first time as well. The neat thing is I want to record data and see if we are faster with an opponent, or we're faster without, or maybe we're faster with the different keys. But we're going to record all of our numbers in a spreadsheet. When you're done, it does count for how fast you break the little wall, and then with your mouse click the stop button. So there I hit stop, and I did it in 37.15 seconds. So then what you do, I'm going to pause this so that it is out of the way and reset it for the next time. I'm going to go to Google Classroom, and I'm going to find the Fast Maze data form. I'm going to fill in how many players there were. This time it was 1. I was using the arrow keys, and then my time in seconds was 37.15. I return to the form, and I type 37.15. If you had more than a minute, if yours was 1 minute and 20 seconds, you're going to have to do 60 plus 20 because you've got to put it in seconds, just like I did here. And then always put the name of the winner. This was Mike H. If you had opponents you were playing with, you can put their names after you, but always put the winner first. And then simply submit your data. And then hit submit. You can race more than once. Once again, you can try using all the different areas. You can check to see if you're faster racing against another person. You can check to see if you're faster using a different set of keys. Have fun. Let's see what our records can be. And the nice thing is when we're done, we'll be able to use these spreadsheets to analyze what we did and how we fared. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun, and I hope you're enjoying our Google Sheets training.